Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? I'm back with a long break. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. First we have from Wipro. Wipro is looking for database developer. Here is it. The location is Mumbai. Now let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You are designing products, develop software solution. With that you are also invest problem areas followed by the software development lifecycle. You are also handle troubleshoot and debugs. In line with that, you have to analyze client requirement and many more. Here is it. You can read this. No prior experience required. This is for fresher. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next, we have from Innovate Solution. Innovate Solution is looking for Python development trainee. This is a remote job. So Innovate Solution looking for passionate Python developer. Here are the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as an Innovate Solution trainee. You are assisting in designing, developing and testing Python applications. With that you have to write clean, efficient and maintainable code. In line with that you are also working on database, SQL, NoSQL, API integration and handle debug troubleshoots. Additionally, you have to stay updated with the latest Python frameworks, libraries, technology. And now move to the requirement for this role. Have bachelor degree in computer science, IT, engineering or related field. With that, have basic knowledge of Python programming and object-oriented concepts. Similarly, familiarity with framework like Django. In line with that, you have good understanding of database. And here are the mandatory skills. Have strong problem-solving skill, analytical skill, communication skill, teamwork skill, collaborative skills, and many more. So here are the what they offer: remote work, flexible hours, hands-on training and mentorship, opportunity to work on real-world projects, career growth, learning opportunity and many more. You can read this. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, you can apply for this role. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Lexmark. Lexmark is looking for software developer. The location is Greater Kolkata. And here are the about the company. You can read this. Founded in 1991. Lexmark is looking for fresher developers. Here is it. Or candidate have 1 to 3 years of experience is also welcome to apply for this role. And here are the requirements for this role. Strong academic background with bachelor degree in computer science or related field. With that you have proficiency in at least one mainstreaming programming language such as C++, C#, Java, Python. Similarly, knowledge of framework systems. In line with that you have excellent problem solving skill, communication skill, collaborative skill and many more. Here is it. You can read this. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.